my channel. So today's video is a pre-plan my school week with you guys, and I go through the process of planning the week that we are currently in and the week following it right after. So the Sunday or Monday I like to take some time to myself, take some coffee, tea, water, whatever I would like on hand, and sit down and organize my thoughts on how I'm gonna go about planning my week. I thought this was a super informative video for you guys, especially college students, because I know planning time can be hard, or time management in general, and I've been using an agenda ever since I was in elementary school. Since the days schools would give you free agendas for the school year. Yeah. And you know, your teacher would come by and sign off on your agenda to make sure you wrote down all the homework. That was me as a child. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you did. Hit the little bell notification so you get notified every time I upload a new video and you don't miss one. And hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. Enjoy the video. So first, let's start with bringing all of my supplies to the kitchen table so I can plan out my weeks. So let's talk about the planner. This planner is from Indigo and it's my favorite color combo, mint and marble. And I love everything that's included in it. It has a notes page, it has a quote before every monthly calendar view, it has a weekly view, and it's just the perfect size. It's like a medium size. It's a little bit heavy because it is quite thick, but I don't always bring it to school with me every single day. And can we just talk about the rose gold coil in the middle of the notebook? So as I bring all my supplies with me to the kitchen table, because it's a nice big working space for myself, I go grab a cup of tea or coffee, whatever I feel like having. And I just open up my planner, bring it to the monthly view, and I'm gonna pop open my laptop and see what's going on. So the first thing I do when I am planning out my weeks is I log into my school account and look at all the assignments and projects I have coming up, deadlines, and when I have to submit them by. I then pull out my phone and look at any reminders or appointments I have in my calendar app. I don't always have them included in here, but when I do, I like to just kind of double check before I start writing things in my agenda, because some important things are sometimes kept in my phone. Okay, here comes the fun part. So the first thing I do is grab one of my colored post-it notes, and I like to put one in the weekly view of my schedule, and then I'll also put a different color in the monthly page. So I have one on each and I can easily flip to them without getting stuck or lost between pages. Another one of my favorite parts is to pull out my colored pens. So each color represents a certain task. So red is for my assignments that are due in projects. So everything that is written in red are assignments and projects in the monthly calendar view. So I'm just scrolling through my school website to figure out what is due when, and here I'm pointing to the first 2 rows of March, which is the first 2 weeks. And that is all I'm recording. I'm writing my assignments that are only due in those first 2 weeks, because if I write the whole month, it's going to be very overwhelming looking, it's going to stress me out, and it's just not needed so far in advance. So first 2 weeks, I usually do 2-week increments, and that has worked out fine for me. Okay, here I'm bringing out the color pink to show you that I write birthdays in pink, but when I first buy a planner, I already write the birthdays far in advance, so I didn't have to write any this month. I was just showing you what the color was for. Now, the dark blue is going to be used in the weekly view, and that is to write anything school related that I have to do. So I put some film readings down that I had to do, what am I writing? Start some type of assignment. Yeah, start my communications assignment because it was due later on that week. Now, orange is for tasks that are not school related. So whether that's laundry, whether it's grocery shopping, whether it's folding laundry, whether it's cleaning the apartment, I guess it's more of like a chores type of color. So this light green I am using for appointments. So I had a spray tan appointment on Thursday, March 1st. So I'm just writing down that in the monthly view. So I'm switching back over to the weekly view, and I'm using my orange pen to write down more tasks that I have to do later on in the week. So Thursday I had to do things like paint my nails, wash my makeup brushes, because I was going out on Friday, so I needed to have my makeup brushes dry and my nails painted, so you know, they look good for pictures and all that jazz. So that had to get done the night before, which was Thursday. For me, it's also super important to prioritize my activities and tasks, so making sure I write all my school-related things first, and then my fun things that don't matter as much and hold as high of a priority on the list next. So then I'm flipping back to the weekend that I'm currently, filming this video at, and I'm just showing you that the red check marks are, for completed tasks that I did. So there's still a few things there that don't have check marks, so I switch over to my black pen and I draw a little box to remind myself that those need to get checked off. And lastly, I'm using this light sky blue color to write events that are going on. So on the Saturday, I was going out with my friends and my boyfriend to celebrate my birthday and his birthday. So I just like to include that in my monthly view. And then I'm switching back over to my weekly view and orange to write some more small tasks that I need to get done Thursday. But that pretty much concludes this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it and, got to see a little inside of how I plan my weeks. So if you like this video, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.